Tarumã house was conceived based on principles of passive sustainability, prioritizing the residents' thermal comfort. Proper placement, ample overhangs, sized and oriented openings to optimize cross-ventilation, combined with the preservation of local ecological systems, give this residence an aura of harmony with the lush nature surrounding it. A key feature of this house is the preservation of a significant portion of the dense local forest, achieved by embedding the main volume into a cut in the sloping terrain, reversing the conventional residential typology. The bedrooms are positioned on the lower floor, while the internal living spaces, the outdoor seating area, and the pool are located on the upper floor, providing a privileged view of the lush natural surroundings. A notable feature is the corten steel roof of the main volume, which features two slopes with an air circulation space at the rear, allowing a pleasant feeling of freshness between the ceiling and the cooled environments, ensuring thermal comfort on the upper floor of the residence. The house is divided into two distinct volumes, one elongated and the other in the form of a lookout tower, connected by delicate walkways. While the elongated volume houses spaces that require protection against the elements, such as the elegant living room, dining area, and suites, the Tower Mirante volume accommodates functions that can fully enjoy sunlight, including the storage area, the laundry room on the lower floor, and the pool with its lookout on the upper floor.